This is an instrument I'm developing. It's called BodyX, and it's to perform with large projections, lights, and sound. And this past week, I started creating my first sounds with it. And so this is just like the first step towards creating an audiovisual instrument. So it's still very young in the process. And so here I can touch my fingers, and you can see when I touch, the colors change. So it's capacitive touch. Also, here I can go like this with my thumb. This light turns on and I activate a gyroscope accelerometer. I also have it on this side, as well as when I bend my fingers. So here I have 3 bend sensors, and this is all made by integrating electronics and fabric and textiles. It's called e-textiles. And yeah, so basically it's about, I'm using conductive fabrics and conductive thread as well. And so yeah, everything is integrated inside. And the idea was to make a design that feels comfortable. And I'm using neoprene. It's a good material to use. And so yeah, it's just as visual as it is functional. And then, so basically, I have a microcontroller in here. So whatever I'm doing with my hands, the microcontroller sends that data over a wireless network that I created with, it's another microcontroller that creates like a type of a Wi-Fi network. And I could be outside and it will still get it just fine. And so the data from my hand activity gets sent to the microcontroller on my laptop, and through the serial USB port, I pick it up on the computer, and then I can create from there, basically map everything I'm doing to sound, visuals, eventually lights, and even other things. I want to add smell to it. So
Margo, you hear that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I help with it?
Yeah, actually.
Ooh, yeah.
So I have to work on getting the visuals right.
Do you want to do the second one?
Yeah, let's do the second one.